This is 60 Sec Tech. This video explores front panel lockout. On a busy job site, multiple welding power sources are often placed close together, which makes it easy for a welder to mistake someone else's machine for their own. An accidental parameter change to the wrong machine can cause expensive weld defects and rework, which hurts your bottom line. Front panel lockout eliminates this problem. It automatically engages when an arc reach wire feeder or remote is connected to an XMT 350 Field Pro welding power source. When engaged, front panel lockout makes front panel controls inoperative, which prevents accidental parameter changes. When the arc reach wire feeder or remote is disconnected, front panel operation is automatically restored. Front panel lockout, preventing defects and rework, and protecting your bottom line.